Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, a working Telegram account, and enough storage for downloads. Once done, search the bot by its exact username and check that it shows active. Next, open the chat and send /start or the listed welcome keyword. This registers you with the bot and reveals core commands. Make sure to allow media permissions when prompted, because the bot needs to send files and links to you. From here, you're ready to request content. Once registered, you perform searches with /search followed by the movie title or tap quick buttons. This is faster when the bot offers suggestions. Then apply filters. Choose 720p or 1080p, language and subtitles, so you avoid low-quality files and get the right audio track. After results appear, select a source entry. The bot will present download and stream choices. Pick stream for instant viewing or download if you want offline access, and monitor progress messages the bot sends. To finish, monitor the transfer, and if needed, use resume commands the bot supports. This prevents restarting large downloads. Make sure you open the file with a reliable player that supports external subtitles, because syncing issues are common. Adjust subtitle delay if lines appear early or late. If the bot returns errors, confirm it still has message and file permissions and that you haven't hit rate limits. Then retry the same command or message the bot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.